Hey everyone, I'm here today to announce October's giveaway. It's already time for October's giveaway. It's just the year is flying by. We've got 3 more giveaways this year. I might do some extras in there, so stay tuned for that. But right now I have for you Mia. She's a little messy on the wig head because I just threw her on. My husband's making breakfast. He always makes breakfast for us on Sunday mornings, and I needed to get this video filmed. So I have Mia for you in the color Velvet Cream. This is our giveaway for October. I just released my Mia review and reviewed this color, and so if you're unfamiliar with Mia, please check her out. She is a Tressallure wig. The color is Velvet Cream. This is a kind of a dark blonde. In the description it does talk about it being a light brown. I definitely think this falls more into the blonde category. And she has a lace front and a mono part. She's long. She's curly, kind of curly wavy. And has a lot of hair and a lot of permatease. So please watch my video. But you know what? With a giveaway, I think you can go ahead and register for something you might not normally wear, because you just never know. And every exposure to different wigs is going to help you on your wig journey. And in the end, if she doesn't work for you, you can pay it forward and gift it to someone else. So it's a win all around. I have on my head right now, because I know a lot of you are going to ask, Belle Madame Isabella Mono in the color Dark Copper Root. And after this video right here that I'm filming, I'm going to film a video on dirty wigs and how they start to feel when they get dirty. And this Isabella needs a wash desperately, so I'm going to show a before and after, before washing and after washing. So keep watching for that video. But this is about Mia and my giveaway. Check out the description. I will have all the details. I use Rafflecopter, and so all you have to do is click on the link to Rafflecopter and put in your name and email address, and you're all set. And then the winner will be drawn a week from today, so next Sunday. This giveaway is going to be live through midnight, Saturday the 24th. And then I'll draw a winner on Sunday, and I'll notify you via email, so please make sure you're using your correct email address. All right, everyone. That's it. October's giveaway is live now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.